Reasons why people cheat within their marriage. The lack of emotional fulfillment. So it's a lack of a feeling in the relationship of fullness and connection within that relationship. If individuals feel neglected, unappreciated, emotionally disconnected from their spouse, they may seek that emotional validation and intimacy outside of their marriage. And that could really be something that is putting your relationship at risk. So if you feel like in your marriage you don't have that really close connection and fulfillment, your relationship could be at risk for infidelity. Sexual dissatisfaction. If one partner is not satisfied with the frequency or the quality of sexual activity in the relationship, they may actually be seeking sexual fulfillment elsewhere. The lack of communication and conflict resolution. If the two of you really struggle to resolve your conflicts, it can erode a marriage over time. If couples struggle to effectively communicate their needs, their desires, their concerns, and even those resentments and bitternesses that build up, it leads one or both partners to start to seek that understanding or connection with someone else. If in your relationship you're noticing that your spouse is becoming friends with somebody and that closeness seems to be a challenge, it might be that there's an emotional affair starting to take place within that relationship. If they're not getting those needs met within your relationship is at risk of them getting those needs met outside of your relationship. While these reasons may help explain why people cheat, they don't justify or excuse infidelity.